Hello Aries, welcome to Beautiful Tarot, and this reading is from 7th of August to 13th of August. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Aries. Ten of Wands, Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands, and King of Pentacles. So here we have King of Pentacles. You may be dealing with someone practical, Aries. Seems like this person is also, you can say, only concerned about money. At this point, this person is only thinking about what is going to help them financially. Maybe they have asked for help, or they will ask for help in this week. This person feels that relationships can wait, but one has to focus on money, or one has to focus on career. That can be right sometimes, but seems like this person is being too practical at this point. You may feel that this person is taking advantage of you, and probably you are right, because with this Ten of Wands, this person may be expecting a lot from you, Aries. And looks like you have been carrying this burden for so long. You have been carrying these wands for many years. Probably for many of you, this is a long-term relationship, and this is not the first time they're acting like this. They might be pushing you to do something, or they might be expecting a lot, and this could be draining. I mean, Aries, looks like you have already put up with a lot, and seems like with this Queen of Wands, now you are done. Queen of Wands wants to be free. She wants to be herself. She wants to gain her freedom once again, because something was keeping you away from yourself, and this was this stress, this was this expectation, this was this burden that you were carrying for so long, and now it's time to take an action. And Queen of Wands is about finding your direction, Aries. So the tarot is telling you that you need to believe in yourself, let go of what others are thinking. Just leave those expectations behind. It's not your job to fulfill everyone's expectations. And definitely this person can wait if love can wait. This is what this reading is trying to tell you. Here we have Ace of Wands, Aries. You are in making once again. It's like a volcano is about to erupt. Maybe this person has pushed you to the limit. You are already done. And you may not have expected this. I mean, something will happen, or you will end up doing something or saying something that you wouldn't have expected from yourself. You may not feel like doing it, but you know, something will trigger you and you will tell this person, okay, you cannot expect everything from me. And you know, if I need to be alone, you know, to be free, I can do that. Seems like Aries, you are going to do something that you will never expect from yourself. It's like you were holding too tight to this relationship. You felt that you can save this relationship, or you can make it work by pushing it every day. You will feel that now you need to give up on it. If it's not working, if it's not worth it, if it's not reciprocating, you need to leave. And that's okay to give up on this kind of relationship. I mean, if you choose to do so, the universe is telling you it's going to support you. With this Ace of Wands, something new is starting. You will get a blessing. You may have this feeling that you will feel bad about leaving this situation, but actually this experience will be liberating. Though this is a general reading, this may not resonate with everyone. The energy could be reversed as well. Also, you can check your moon and rising sign. Let's go ahead and check some more messages for you. Nine of Cups. Knight of Cups in reverse. Two of Swords. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords, Aries. Tarot is telling you, help yourself. Free yourself. Because with this Two of Swords, Aries, you have already spent a lot of time here. Looks like you have been confused about this relationship for a long time. You have been ignoring your feelings. You have been ignoring their acts just because you wanted to stay in this relationship in spite of everything. Because clearly with this Nine of Cups, seems like you have been doing everything. Here you see you have the spot, you are being generous, you are giving share of your water and food to others. And this may be the case in your life as well. Probably you were giving everything to this person. You felt whatever you had also belonged to them. But, you know, actually, this person never understood your generosity. They never understood your love for them. And now with this Knight of Cups in reverse, Aries, it's time to think once again whether you want to give your love to someone like this, or you want to change something about this relationship. Because probably this is something that has already taken a lot of time. I mean, if this is a new relationship, you can definitely invest some more time in deciding what you want. But for many of you, you may have already put a lot of efforts into this and still nothing is changing. If it is so, the universe is telling you that Aries, it's time to decide who deserves your love. And no matter what, you deserve your love first, and make sure that you are happy before making a decision, no matter what you choose. Okay? Let's check an oracle message for you, Aries. Lady Portia, Divine Order, do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. So this card is telling you, Aries, you need to do what you feel is right. Maybe sometimes we know what is right, but we cannot act just because we are afraid of what will come next. So in this case, the universe is telling you, you know what is right and you can act. Take that decision. An important lesson is unfolding. You will learn a lot from this experience, and something is waiting for you already. You need to take the next step. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.